Hey everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a UDP server inside an HTML page. All right. First thing we're going to do is create a directory. And then inside the directory, we're going to run the ssc init command. And that creates some boilerplate that we can open with our favorite editor. So you can see some files were created by the command. We want to open the HTML file. And you can see the layout. There's some CSS in here. There's a body tag with an H1. And let's just modify that a little bit. The important thing here we're going to do is we're going to create a script tag. And it can go anywhere, but let's put it in the head. And the script tag is going to have a type so that we can specify that we want to do modern JavaScript. All right. Inside the script tag, we're going to import a built-in module called dgram, which is exactly the same as Node's dgram module. In fact, it's even powered by libuv. All right, so we create a socket with the dgram API, and let's give it UDP4 type. And it's an event emitter, so let's listen for the message event. That's going to give us a buffer. And then we'll just create a div, and we use create element to create the div, and then we'll give the text content of the div. We'll make that the value of the buffer, and we'll toString this. Okay. Then, yeah, we'll append this to the body of the document, and cool. Yeah, and then we will also bind on port 4000. Yeah. Okay. So that's that, and we can. Okay, that's good. All right. So we'll split the screen. We'll split the terminal here, and we'll run ssc build with the -r flag, so it runs it after it builds it. And then from there, we can see, okay, cool, it built. We can split this screen again, or split this terminal again. So we can run this. So we have this little server. We want to run nc against it. So nc dash uc, and it's on this computer, any interface, so 0.0.0.0 on port 4000. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we'll try to fit both these things on the screen at the same time. Yeah, okay. We'll resize this. Okay, and then we'll just start typing in here, and boom, we can see that our little server is talking over the network.